September last year, we held 3 successful tea dances, 1 in each locality in Perth and Kinross. The aim of the tea dances is to find out what's happening in your area and how you can work together to develop a friendship network. The aim of the friendship network is to help reduce social isolation. Feedback from the tea dances was that the participants thought that it was a good idea and they would like to get involved. It was decided to continue on with the friendship network, and this will be open to anyone, male or female, over the age of 55 living in Perth and Kinross. The tea dances are very informal. Come along with a friend or come along and meet new people. We have lots of fun with live music with a DJ, and we also have a raffle, and also provided is some tea, coffee and plenty of cakes.
Oh, I thoroughly enjoyed it. It was a lovely afternoon, yes. They always are. Love the tea dances.
Great fun, and the music was good. And we always enjoy ourselves. Doesn't matter where we go in the tea dancing, we always enjoy ourselves.
If you would like to get involved or would like more information on the tea dance, please contact myself, and my details are on the end of this video. Thank you.